Hello everyone. Hi, this is Somil Mehta from Mira Asset Sharekhan. Welcome to Hot Stock Picks, where we bring you focused list of stocks that are strong on both fundamentals and technicals. Let's dive straight into the top 5 curated stocks ideas for December 2025 with clear buy range, targets and long-term potential. First one in my list is Cholamandalam Finance in the NBFC sector and is expected to see a strong recovery in the second half of FY26, led by strong festive demand, high auto finance volume due to low GST rates, and a better monsoon. The company is expected to deliver AUM and PAT CAGR of 20% and 25% over FY25 to FY28. Net interest margin of FY26 are expected to expand by 10 to 15 basis points, held by repo rate cuts. Asset quality is also expected to improve in the second half of FY26 as rural stress moderates. Return on assets and return on equity are expected to reach 2.7% and 20.3% by FY28. From a technical perspective, the stock is consolidating in a broad range. It has a strong support near 1650 and immediate resistance around 1750. A decisive breakout above 1750 can lead to a short covering and further upside. Second stock in my list is Cummins India. In the capital goods sector, is a leading manufacturer of medium to high horsepower diesel engines. Demand for generator sets has returned to CPCB Phase 4 pre-buying levels. High horsepower segment demands is being driven by hyper data centers. The company is confident of export-led growth across global markets and is well positioned for CPCB Phase 4 plus transition. The fundamental target for Cummins India is 4,950. On the technical front, the stock is showing bullish continuation pattern on the weekly chart. It is trading about 20 daily moving average at 4,380. RSI and MACD indicators are showing a positive crossover. Volumes are also rising along with price. The third stock in my list is L&T Technology Services in the IT space, and the ITES sector reported a Q2 FY26 total contract value of $292 million, which is a well above its averages of around $200 million. The second half of FY26 is expected to remain strong on the back of deal ramp up. The company is expected to deliver double-digit revenue growth along with margin improvement. The fundamental target for LTTS is 5,000. Technically, the stock is forming hard top high bottom formation. It is trading about 20 daily moving average, which is at 4,302, and 40 daily moving average, which is 4,251. The stock is also holding the 23% retracement support. Both RSI and MACD continue to remain in bullish territory. Fourth in my list is Lupin from the pharma sector. Delivered a strong performance in the first half of FY26, led by exclusivity in two medicines displayed on your screen for the US markets. The company also reported strong growth of 27% in Europe and 45% in Brazil and South Africa. Long-term growth is expected to pick up meaningfully from FY28 onwards. The fundamental target for Lupin is 2,400. From a technical perspective, the stock is consolidating in a broad range. It has a strong buying support near 1900 with an immediate hurdle near 2150. Once this resistance is crossed decisively, an upside extension towards 2400 becomes possible. Fifth in my list is TCS in the IT and the ITES sector. Delivered better than expected Q2 FY26 results. Margins are improving on the back of cost optimization. The company reported a deal total contract value of $10 billion, reflecting strong order momentum. The stock is also trading at a discount of its long-term valuations. The fundamental targets for TCS is 3,900. On the technical side, the stock is forming high tops, high bottom on the daily charts. On the weekly time frame, a fresh NACD buy signal is visible. The stock faces immediate resistance near 3,200. A break above this level could trigger short covering and further upside. A final summary of a 30-day hot stock picks of the month for December 2025 will be displayed now. All 5 stocks in the month's hot stock picks are supported by strong fundamentals and solid technical structure, making them suitable candidates for a medium to long-term investments. That's all for this December edition of 30-day hot stock picks. To know more about the details of these stocks and discover the full power of research, you can click the link in the description to view our full report on this analysis. Thank you so much and trade wisely. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.